Are you tired of the constant uphill battle in your pursuit of happiness? Do you feel overwhelmed by the challenges of modern life, both personally and professionally? What if I told you that there is a way for you to navigate all of these challenges and that you can find happiness in your life as well? So stay tuned, because I will tell you in this video on how you can get your hands on a free ebook that I have created that might just change your life. Hi everybody, my name is Glenn Berkelev and I am a leader coach with over 20 years of experience. Today I'm going to talk to you about a topic that we all strive for: happiness. In the fast-paced world of today, it might seem a little bit challenging to find that fleeting thing we call happiness. We're all seeking that fleeting moment of happiness when we get challenged both in our personal and in our work lives. And it can seem like a constant uphill battle. I have had my fair share of challenges in life, just like I believe you have as well. In my career and in my life, I have experienced losing a job, losing money over a failed business adventure, failed relationships that put me through heartache, and much more. I'm just telling you this because I'm not alone, and neither are you. Every person on this planet experiences challenges in life, and we're all seeking out something that we define as happiness. We all seek that secret happiness juice, but I believe we're all looking in the wrong places. If you believe that your happiness is determined by buying a new car, a house, fancy new clothes, a new phone, a handbag, or other material items, I'm sorry to say you are wrong and you're looking in the wrong places. It is much simpler than buying your way to happiness. Why do I feel so confident when I'm saying this? The reason is most of the people that you may know who have had their fair share of monetary wealth have actually dealt with clinical depression and anxiety and addiction in their life. Most recently, we unfortunately lost Matthew Perry in a way too young age. But he's not alone. Robin Williams, J.K. Rowling, the author of the famous book series Harry Potter, Britney Spears and Jim Carrey have all been openly talking about their struggles with depression and addiction. So if they were all depressed, money is clearly not the answer to happiness. What if I told you that finding happiness is not as elusive as you may think it is? Finding happiness is also not a destination, but it's a journey. And you have the power to cultivate your own happiness. And that is why I'm super excited to introduce you to my new ebook. It is called How to Achieve Happiness: Mastering Personal and Corporate Fulfillment. The comprehensive guide that I've created for you is designed to help you navigate the complexities of modern life so you can find your path to happiness. This ebook is packed with insights from well-known theories on happiness. It also includes practical tools and strategies that you can apply yourself in your daily life so you can achieve that happiness as well. I have also included a bonus chapter on finding happiness through Islam, because I know some of you who is viewing this is interested in that. With 10 main chapters and over 30 pages, this ebook deep dives into understanding happiness in more detail, the challenges we face and how to overcome them. I have found my happiness and I want to help you find yours. So whether you're looking for personal fulfillment or you're trying to find stronger happiness in your workplace, this ebook is for you. So what are you waiting for? Start your happiness journey today. I have put a link in the description below so you can get your free copy. There is an opportunity for you to donate a couple of dollars for the work that I've put into it, but it's absolutely not a requirement. Remember, happiness is a journey, not a destination, and it starts with a single step. And I am happy to announce to you that you have already taken the first step watching this video. The second step can be for you to download the ebook and actually read it. I am super interested to hear what you think about it, so once you've read it, Feel free to come back to this video and leave in the comments field below what was most useful to you when reading this ebook. If you are interested in more information on happiness, I have actually created another video already that I think you'll like. You can check it out right here. Thank you so much for listening. My name is Glenn Berkeliffe. I hope you will find your happiness.